Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the accounts and payment that control Apple Music. Sign into the correct Apple ID on your device and make sure iCloud is active. This links your library. Once signed in, open subscriptions to verify Apple Music is active and that your payment method is valid. If billing failed, update the card or choose another method. Make sure your device runs the latest system update and restart it. That clears cached authentication problems, so the next steps can work reliably. Next, focus on getting your songs and playlists back. In music settings, toggle Sync Library on. This forces a rescan and merges local files with iCloud. If sync appears stuck, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in to refresh tokens and reinitiate the sync. For missing purchases, open the account menu and download previous purchases or re-add tracks from your iTunes purchase history. If you had local edits, make sure the originals are available on the device before letting the cloud overwrite them. Finally, verify playback and resolve lingering issues so Apple Music is fully functional. Test streaming on Wi-Fi and cellular. If playback fails, toggle airplane mode briefly to reset network interfaces, then reconnect. Force quit the music app and reopen it. If problems continue, reinstall the app to clear corrupted cache. Make sure your device's date/time are set automatically and check Apple's system status if you suspect outages. If none of this works, gather your Apple ID and receipt details, then contact Apple support for account-level fixes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.